It's rainy day, just arrived to Seminyak. I just stopped next to Sushimi. In Seminyak today wanna have a little ride. I hope so you will enjoy it. I'm gonna show you a little bit where is residential area of Seminyak, something between tourist streets and little bit more deep inside where so many local people living also, and many expats and many villas, and also some local city hotels. So I hope so you will enjoy today. This is already Seminyak, guys. Heading now into area of one of the street in Seminyak. You can go to Seminyak Beach 66 area, but this street is kinda entertainment street. So many bars and restaurants, and even the gay bars here, some Aussie sports bars in that area. Forgot the name of the street. I will put on the screen probably. And well, situation today is like this. It's raining all day long since I wake up. At morning was rainy. It's 4:30 p.m. It's still rainy, slightly rainy, but still rainy today. So sorry for the inconvenience. Maybe a little bit hard to watch through the window because it's rainy and my wiper's gonna work and everything. However, at least I can still make a video for you guys. So I hope so you enjoyed. Well, somewhere here they are first gay bars, Maxwell and Bali Joe. Over here, guys, here we go. If you are interested, maybe you can have a look. They are open usually at night, especially on Saturday night. And heading now into direction of the beach. However, today I want to show you the area of Seminyak where I didn't show you too often, and well, they are more likely entertainment area on this street, and we're gonna go into more deep into Seminyak where so many expats living, so many villas, also small hotels around. Well, currently this area is very quiet still, not really has changed. I used to vlog on this street a few times. So yeah, there's some tourists walking sometimes, but yeah, it's still very quiet. So that's why I want to show you the area where are more likely expats living, perhaps today. Anyway, this is the hotel, Courtyard Hotel in Seminyak, Courtyard by Marriott in Seminyak, and quite good hotel if you want to stay close by the beach but save little money. This is the name, and we're gonna go here right into this direction. There are also so many hotels, and like a smaller hotels, 3-star hotels, 4-star hotels, a little bit cheaper, and so many villas, so many expats living, and many other people. Also you can find some hotels, spas, bars, stuff like this, but it's also a little bit more more local vibe, I could say. This is another hotel over here. Of course, even some clinic here. That was a little bit zone where is empty land on the left. That's why it looks a little bit maybe not that attractive. So we're gonna go here right, and will be already more live. Surf shop, bar, restaurant, even La Lapan shop, and another hotel like a city hotel where you could potentially stay longer term if you don't wanna rent a villa, but you still wanna live in Seminyak. Here's Banana Spa. I used to show you this, maybe you remember, with my American friend. He's back to America unfortunately currently, so cannot make a vlog with him. He's waiting when will be no quarantine at all, and he went in October and still waiting. I think he's gonna wait for a while. But anyway, Harris Hotel Seminyak, also city hotel. Not sure how much is it tonight, but it's kinda affordable, local brand. And well, from the main street you can see some city hotels, spas, shop, but already a little bit different than on the previous street where it was like mostly tourist places. This is already more like a, let's say, backside or downtown. Heading to main street of Seminyak Kaya Ayo, where a very popular street. But I think it's worth to know what is surrounds, what is deep inside Seminyak. So weather is not so good, so I have opportunity to show you something different today. Unfortunately, I cannot walk because first of all it's rainy. Second of all, it's quite far distance, so it will be more likely live stream, not really proper vlog. And third of all, there is still very quiet. There is not much is happening in Bali. right now there is not much people to talk about around. Many buildings are abandoned, closed, so better just have a slow drive like this one around 20 km/h and show you how does it look, the area. Maybe you used to live here, maybe you thinking about this area. I will put the names of the street on the screen at the beginning so you can find this out on the map. Before I come here I was watching the Google Street and Google Map from the sky. How does it look like? This literally everywhere around their villas with the pools. That's very, you know, like characteristic when you are watching. You can see many of them, and yeah, that's how it is. Quickly, situation in Seminyak. There are a few blind spots where are just forest, empty land, but also so many villas like this one, for example. Here we go, guys. You can check this out. And many like local cafes, small shops, small restaurants. Unfortunately, well, many of them they are for rent. If the main street where are tourists and they cannot handle, so I don't expect really as this street will be much busier. However, as you can see, quite many cars and even taxi bluebirds driving around. The traffic actually is quite big, I could say. Many cars driving around, and this is one more time probably because so many villas and so many people living around. This restaurant is even open. Laka Laka looks pretty nice. And this is already Kaya Ayu if you're gonna go left, but we're gonna go right. Going back to Legian Street, and check this out, the situation on the road here very close to the Bintang supermarket. Actually a lot of water, nearly little floods around. I decided I'm gonna show you because this is like currently situation. Like I said, was raining all day long since we wake up this morning at 7 a.m. Was already very heavy rainy. Now it's slightly less, but seems like was raining in Seminyak also, not only in Sanur. But check this out, this lady on the motorbike. You can see how much water is it. It's quite a lot. And this is the road from Seminyak Kaya Ayu, or Sunset Road, leading to Legian Street, and actually it's quite a lot of water at this point. So yeah, it's a serious thing, guys. If you are coming into Bali during the rainy season, it's not gonna be rainy a lot often, but you can expect little floods locally, and this is obviously the reason why, because of the drainage system, canalization system is kinda weak still, unfortunately. The roads are small and you know, stuff like that. So yeah, basically leading now into the area of Bintang supermarket, or you can go by this street to Legian Street. I just want to show you where is exactly the entrance to the street from the other perspective where I started today's video. It's just very close from here. This is the area of Warung, Made, and few other famous popular businesses around in Seminyak. Still in Seminyak. Here we go, guys. Made's Warung. See the water all the time, still in places to places. Here, sorry, I have to drive slightly faster because I need to follow the traffic, follow the flow. If I'm gonna drive too slow, the people will be not happy behind me. And yeah, and here we go. This is the entrance to the street where I started today's video. Forgot the name of the street one more time, however, it's over here. And as you can see also, many bluebird taxis driving around Jalan Champung Tandak or Tanduk. Here we go, next to Frankenstein. You can Google on the Google map Frankenstein. Unfortunately, Frankenstein, it's closed. At the front of me is the lucky day. I used to have been down there and make a vlog a few months ago when I met the little Bosco. I hope so. You guys are still watching me. I still remember about you guys. Today, as you saw, it's rainy, cloudy day in Bali. It was a little bit floody at the end of the video. Well, I hope so you enjoyed that's how it is situation today in Bali. Also, you know how does it look a little bit outside the main streets, deep inside of Seminyak. You can let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Have you ever stayed here? Would you consider to stay maybe in the area? Do you like the area, or maybe you prefer going to Sanur or different parts of Bali? Obviously, a long time ago, this part of Seminyak was super extremely busy, but everything is slowly moving into Canggu direction. But I know many of you are not really fans of Canggu, so I'm not vlogging there too often. However, if you would like to see Canggu, let me know in the comment section. And I think that's it from me from today. I'm gonna go home, and I will see you tomorrow. As always, see ya. Take care, guys.